Maurice here back for another Pop Hack training. Today, we're going to do some quick cold calls, and I want you guys to pay close attention to how I sign up social media marketing clients. It's very, very simple, okay? A lot of you guys are making excuses why you can't get clients or why you don't have clients, and the number one reason why is prospecting, okay? So we're going to do a quick cold call, and I'm going to show you guys how I spin this guy right around. He's going to tell me he's not interested, and just watch just the simple verbiage that I use to turn him around, get his email address, send him my presentation, and be in position to close the deal. Okay, if you guys want more clients, you're tired of struggling, you want to do this at a high level like me, it doesn't take that much time when you get good at it. What I want you to do is click the link in the description, sign up for the Instant Client Pro course that we just brought out to you guys. We're getting phenomenal results. Our students are crushing it. Signed up 3 clients in 7 days. You get the opportunity to get the same presentation that I'm going to email out to this gentleman you're about to hear. You can text it to him. It is powerful stuff. If you want to make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, you want to click the link and grab the ICP course. In the meantime, check this quick cold calling session out. Set aside some time. Set aside about 1 or 2 hours a day, and you guys could easily generate a 6-figure income within 90 days. Okay, so go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, kick back, relax, and watch a true pro get this gentleman to say yes to an appointment with me.
Thank you for calling.
Hey, quick question. I was looking at this listing on Google.
Yes.
For your junk calling, and I was just wanted to ask you guys, are you interested in generating some junk calling leads for your business?
No, not at this time. We're doing pretty good for ourselves right now, but no, we're not interested in any of that.
Well, many people I speak with, they tell me the same thing you did before they found out exactly what we do. Is this the only thing that you guys got going? Is this Google listing, or do you do other stuff?
I do other stuff, but like I said, right now we're pretty content with what we've got going on. It's just me and another guy. And
how many trucks do y'all have?
We've got two running right now, but like I said,
that's perfect.
So far we're doing pretty well for ourselves.
So here's what I'm telling people right now. I've been doing marketing for 7 years. I'm very good at it. I work with other junk callers, and I'm crushing it for them right now. But here's the thing. Most businesses can't afford another second shutdown with the COVID. So I always just tell my business owners, just word of advice, keep your options open. So all I wanted to do was send you an email. Take a look at what we're doing. I mean, we can add, maybe it's 2 to 3 extra calls a day for you guys. That's fine. Or what if it gets, what if your other sources dry up? I cover every aspect online. I've been doing it for a long time, and all of my clients are crushing it right now, okay? So I just want to send you some info. Take a look at it, okay? That's all I ask you to do. Keep an open mind.
Sure, I'll give you the email address.
Yeah, okay, hold on 1 second. Let me grab that. And then what areas do you guys cover?
Pretty much just try to stick with the Elk Grove, Galt, and Sacramento area.
Oh, okay. That's a nice niche. And then what's your first name?
Robert.
Robert, my name's Maurice. Robert, I appreciate your time, too. I'm just trying to help as many people as I can. I know you guys probably got other avenues, but most businesses aren't taking advantage of social media and all the other ways to get more customers. All right, and what's your best email?
Gmail.com.
At gmail.com. All right, perfect. And then, Bob, is it all right if I follow with you first thing Monday morning?
Sure, that's fine.
All right. And then you guys can handle about 3 to 4 calls a day right now. Is that something, if we were to do something you guys can handle? Or I know you said you're busy, but still.
Not necessarily, because this is something that I do on the side. So it's probably wouldn't be able to do that many calls a day.
Okay, how many would you be able to do?
Probably 1 or 2.
Okay. All right. I'll send you the info. And then do you mind if I text you too? Is this a good number to text at? 892-6654?
Sure. That's fine, yeah.